Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Yo, I should be back. You missed the opening, man. You missed the opening. I'm pissed, man. You guys missed the opening. We're gonna have to do it again. Rewind the stream. Rewind the stream. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Rewinding. Rewinding. Hold on. We gotta rewind the stream now, guys. Jordan! Where did you get this IKEA? Where did you get this desk? This thing's so cheap and small. I can't even fit in this thing. God. And this is clearly a green screen. You don't live here. You know what? Where is this? You don't live here. Clearly it's a green screen. This thing sucks. Oh, and by the way, we're in a diamond pattern. We are literally in a diamond pattern right now. We're going back down to the downside. Such a horrible pattern, a horrible desk. Because I didn't get this from Walmart, IKEA, some shit. Get out of here. See ya. All right, anyway, we're back. You can hear me now. You can hear me, man. You hear me? You still can't hear me? Get out of here. Stop messing around. You guys are already messing around this beautiful, beautiful Friday. What's going on, man? So, Bitcoin. You can see what we're forming here. A little bit of a diamond pattern. We'll jump out to the stream in just a second, but just wanted to say happy Friday, everyone. Hope you're enjoying some of the crypto gains while we have it. Are we going to continue? Kind of looks like Houston, does it? I do like the view. This would be a really, really nice view if I had an office like this. If this was actually legit and not a green screen, I would totally like this. I would. But anyways, hope you guys have a fantastic Friday. We're getting some crypto gains. It's good to see some green candles on the charts. About freaking time, man. It's good to see some. So, are the green candles done? You guys can see the poll. Make sure you vote on that poll. Is the pump done for crypto? Are we going back down to the downside, or is Bitcoin going to say screw you to all the things we're going to look at on the stream today, showing that maybe this run could be done? All right, so make sure you guys smack up the like button for the YouTube algorithm, as my good friend Chris would say, and then we're going to jump on and do some technical analysis, because I do have a PhD in technical analysis, if you guys didn't know. A really, really good PhD. You know what I'm saying? A really, really good PhD. As always, as MM Crypto, smack up the like button for the YouTube algorithm as we jump on into the stream here on this beautiful, beautiful Friday while we wear no shoes and no pants. And yes, Jordan is wearing no pants. And yes, I am also wearing no pants. So let's get ready for today's stream, baby. Let's go. All right. We're going to get out of that. All right. Jumping back into the charts here. Jumping back into the charts as we try to adjust this here. As we try to slightly adjust this here. Let me know if my face looks better, man. Let me know if my face looks better. If it still looks ugly, if I still looks like I'm balding, or if it looks a little better. Let me know. Let me know. I did a lot of things, but lotion everything on today, man. Hold on. I'm drinking some Corona tonight. You guys always want to know what I'm drinking, but I'm drinking some Corona right now, enjoying my Friday night. And hope you guys are enjoying your Friday night or Friday morning. Some of you guys, it's the morning. It's ridiculous. All right, so let's jump on into the charts. 1 hour time frame. We have a classic bearish top pattern. Now, I want to state before we even get started with the technical analysis. I want to state this, man, before I get into my PhD. All right, here's it, man. Here's it. Bitcoin's gonna do quick. Actually, we gotta do rant alert, man.
Rant alert.
Bitcoin showing a diamond top pattern, which is typically a reversal pattern. Now, I will say this. If Bitcoin wants to pump, it's not going to give a flying bamboozle, a flying monkey, a flying freaking squirrel that we're in a diamond top pattern. If it wants to pump, it's going to pump. But we're going to look at it as it is. As Bitcoin's trying to come back up right now, could we have a perfect stream time where Bitcoin starts to get a little upside? That would be awesome. But take it for what you will. Let's see if Bitcoin breaks out of it right now. That would be hilarious. We just start the stream and Bitcoin instantly breaks to the upside. That would be hilarious. Let's see if we come back up and test this resistance here real quick, guys. Let's see. 24,013 as we speak right now. Come on, BTC. I'm trying to go to the moon.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
I'm trying to be a moon boy again. I want to put on the moon helmet, man. We got to get back above the previous high to be a moon boy, by the way, guys. All right, so let's see. But right now, let's take it for what it is. Let's just pretend Bitcoin doesn't pump back over this, okay? This is a diamond top pattern. We've seen this a few different times in this bear market. That has resulted in some moves to the downside. We're going to take a look at a few of them in just a second. But this is a diamond top pattern. What does this look like? Well, it looks like this, where you kind of get this, you test the bottom, you test the top, you come back up. The middle of the diamond pattern needs to be a one quick swoop to the downside, right? Rise back up. You oscillate sideways again in this until you eventually get the dump. I'll give you guys a few examples looking back here so we're not just going in blind. There are a few examples going back. Let's go check the price action all the way back in time. Let's go all the way back to our good friend in time. Where is it? Where is it, man? Let's zoom out a little bit. This is ridiculous. Let's zoom out. Let's go. Oh, yeah, right up here. We've seen this a few different times. All right. No, I'm not drunk. Come on, I've only had 2 sips of my Corona here. I'm not drunk. Come on, guys. Who do you think I am, George? Who do you think I am? You think I'm coming on stream like this? I am George. Oh shit, I gotta get on stream right now. I'm fucking hammered, bro. I'm hammered right now. Honey, can you get me some water? I'm hammered. I have to go on stream. It's almost 10:30 Central Standard Time. All right, thanks. All right, I guess it's time to hop on. Here we go. I don't want to stream today, man. It's a bear market. All right, I am George. We're all George. Guys, today, I'm going to look at why Bitcoin's bullish. All right, anyways. Getting over that. No, I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk, though. In all seriousness. We've seen this a few different times. This move right here, exact same thing, right? Diamond pattern. Middle of the diamond pattern. Big swoop to the downside. Rise back up. Oscillate sideways until we dump, right? So you saw it right here all the way back on June 6th. We saw that same pattern on the upside. All the way back over here. We look back on May 31st. What's going on, Clint? Clint's already making me laugh today. I can see Clint's already into the box wine. He said, how far back we going into the 18th century? 17th century, man. Don't cut it short. No, but right here, same different thing, right? Diamond pattern. Big swoop. This one's a little bit different. It's a little bit of a Cheryl swoops, if you know WNBA. Big move up here. Same thing. Oscillate sideways, dump. Right? So we've seen this a few different times in the past that has resulted in a little bit of dumpage. Let's go all the way back over here. Let's go all the way back over here. Over here. Let's go over here. Let's go back over here. Looks like Bitcoin's 24,017. Let's see if Bitcoin can break this resistance right now, guys. Let's pull our best Tino. Try to do a little horse racing here. Shout out to my guy, Traders Reality. You gotta love my guy, Tino, in the chat. I don't know if he's in here right now. Sometimes he pops in. Sometimes he's in here. He's like in the background. When I call him out, he comes out of nowhere. All right, here we go. 24,025. Let's see if we can break this resistance right now, guys. A couple different things, right? If this does break out, obviously, I mean, to keep it super simple, I mean, everyone I saw today is bearish. Okay, everyone I watched today is bearish. I watched multiple different streams. Everyone's expecting this to be probably the local top before a pullback. Do I blame them? No. There's multiple things in the charts besides this that we can look at. But if Bitcoin does pump up right here, because we got to kind of shift here. If Bitcoin breaks to the upside here, we just got to break that previous high to keep it super simple, man. Keep it super simple. We got to break that previous high. We don't want to create a big M formation on the charts here. All right. Let's see. Are we building a triangle going to the mofo moon? I want to break this triangle to the upside, man. I want to say screw you to this triangle, to be honest. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, what a shit show of a day this was. Did you guys trade this today? Holy moly, man. You're just wicking up, down, sideways, upside down. You're doing like some 69 shit on this. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're just going everywhere on this, right? I mean, I don't even know what's happening. So 15-minute time frame. I'm going to ignore the 15-minute today. 15 minutes just kind of doing its thing, as we would say. Not really much going on with this. We really just want to see this hourly time frame break out to the upside, if I'm going to be perfectly honest. And right now, we're coming back up to test it. Let's see. We actually might have already got a little wick above. We got to see if we can get back above it on a close, though. All right? So let's watch. Link pumping? Yeah, Link's pumping, man. That's not a good sign. We'll go over altcoins in a second, but I will say one of the best top indicators is Link leading the charge, and Link is going nuts today. So take it for what you will. All right, let's go check on some other time frames. So the 4-hour time frame, here's what I'll say, man. Here's what I'll say about the 4-hour time frame. All right, you got your stock RSI that did cross back to the downside. That is on the top side up here, right? So you got to take it for what it is. All right, you have a higher chance of coming back down and resetting this. Not going to say it's 100%, but you do still have a higher chance to come back down and resetting this. The level we're looking at, and this is kind of what we were looking at yesterday, to be honest. Don't move the lines. We're moving it a little bit like Savvy, okay? A little bit like Savvy. The level we're still looking at, I mean, the first level we're looking at for a retrace, if this doesn't want to break to the upside, is back down here at around 23,200, all right? And if that level doesn't break, we got this yellow vector candle, this big yellow vector candle, all the way back here, down here, spanning towards 21,600 or so. So You got some vector candles down below we still got to take if Bitcoin wants to drop. So we'll watch that going forward. But here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. Quick rant alert here.
Rant alert.
I don't want to dump. I'm ready to go to the upside, man. I'll tell you this. I'm sick of this bear market. So I need all my bulls in the chat. We need all the energy from every single bull in the chat. I don't care if you're a short-term bear right now. Zip it up, okay? Or I'm going to kick you in the nuts. Let's friggin' go. I need all my bulls in the chat right now to come out here on this Friday. Beautiful, beautiful Friday night. And let's get busy in the chat. Spam the sword, spam the shields. Let's get it. Vikings. Yes, my beard looks so much better today. Look at the color of my beard. I did color it. Yes, I did. Vikings. We must push back this mere stupid Trojan horse, which is this stupid triangle pattern. Jordan loves to draw diamond patterns because he is a bear, but he is a bull right now. So we need to pump over this. If you are a bull, I need you to spam swords and shields in the chat. And if you cannot find the sword and shield emoji, type sword in the chat. We need all the energy to fight the bears back to the land that they deserve to be in, which is all the way back down in the deep, deep depths of the crypto abyss. Here they come. Here they come. They are about to throw bombs at us. But we will not lose. Oh no, watch out. Watch out, bulls. Watch out. Oh, they're throwing bombs. We must fight back. Fight them back. No, man. Let's go. Let's try to get some upside movement here on the stream, man. That'll be super, super exciting. Super exciting. All right. So, jumping back into some of these things here. Let's go to the hourly time frame. Hourly time frame, as of right now, I mean, this could change in a matter of seconds. All right, let's change this right here. Here we go, 24,065. Here we go, man. Here we go. Are we going to break this bearish divergence right now? Let's take a look. We have this downtrend of resistance on the hourly RSI. Coming in right here. Looks like we're about to test this. If this breaks first, look for Bitcoin to break out on price action, man. Let's see where we close this. Looks like Bitcoin's coming up right now. 24,100. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Come on.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Come on, man. Let's see if the hourly RSI breaks out. I was going to say, before Bitcoin did this, it still could be valid, so don't get your panties in a bunch, but we still could be forming a little bit of bearish divergence where we're getting higher highs in price action, lower highs on the RSI. A little bit of bearish divergence here on the hourly time frame. So let's watch this. But I'm hoping Bitcoin just says screw you to this and goes back up to the upside. But I will remain to say, I'm going to throw my bias out the window and would say this makes sense for an area for Bitcoin to get a pullback at. Okay? I'm going to throw my bias out, which my bias is I want Bitcoin to go up here. But I still got to show you what the charts are telling me. But we know when Bitcoin wants to pump, it does not give a shit a lot of the times what the charts are telling you. Okay? A lot of people forget what a truly, if Bitcoin wants to make a run, a lot of people forget what truly happens, which you see a lot of bearish patterns, a lot of bearish indicators, and Bitcoin just says, F you, I'm breaking these. Okay, if you don't remember, go back to 2020, find all the bearish diversions that pumped up to the upside. All right. All right, let's see. Let's go back over here. 4-hour time frame. Not much to say about this. I mean, we kind of already touched on it. You just got to break these previous highs on a close, man. 24,288. You got to get back over those. You know what I'm saying? You got to get back over those. So let's try to get back over those. I have a couple longer term indicators I want to look at, but this is the big one. This is the big one that we need to focus on going forward, guys. If we want to be bullish, okay? I will repeat again.
Rant alert.
If we want to be bullish for crypto, okay? If we want to get our panties in a bunch for my ladies, or if we want to get, for all our guys up there, if we want our underwear to go up, okay? We got to break out of this stupid bear flag because this bear flag is still of a pain in our asses right now. We are still in it. We still have not broken out of this, right? We're still in this stupid bear flag channel, just like we were here and just like we were up here. This is one of the last things that's like keeping me up, that it's like, all right, this might be it, right? Because we're still in this stupid channel. I need and I want us to break us out of this before we get super uber bullish where we start pulling our pants down and running around naked outside. All right? We need to do that. We need to do that first, okay? We need to do it, man. Jordan, what do you mean? I'm already outside running naked. We're bullish. We're bullish. Don't you see we're breaking out? Okay? I know I said the diamond pattern was bearish, but we're breaking out. I'm already outside. I'm already naked. Hey, Miss Susan. Hey. No. Why are you calling the cops? Why are you calling the cops? No, this is a pickle. I know it's big, but come on. Come on, man. No, but before we start running outside, we got to start seeing something here. Let me see what you guys say in the chat. Beth became a member before the stream started. Shout out to Beth. Shout out to my girl Beth coming a member. I thought you were already a member, Beth, but I guess not. I thought I saw you in the member streams, but I guess not. What's going on, your mom? Thong's way to go. Nate, what's going on, buddy? Sheba, what's going on? Nick, what's going on, buddy? Yeah, no, seriously, I hope we get some price action on stream, man. Making a nice little fun Friday night here. All right, continuing on. Daily RSI still got some room to run to the upside, right? Stock RSI still got some room to run to the upside. Just keep in mind that the stock RSI and the daily is getting a little bit toppy, all right? So if we want to see a move, we want to see it within the next couple days, okay? I don't want to be diddly-dallying around here over the weekend. If we dilly-dally around here over the weekend, I ain't gonna like that, okay? I ain't gonna like that. Yes, I said ain't. Get at me. I ain't gonna like that, all right? So, let's see. Now, we got the monthly close coming up, all right? The big monthly close is coming up, all right? We also got the weekly close coming up on good old, what is it? We got the weekly close coming up on Sunday. I don't know why I couldn't think. But the weekly close is coming up on Sunday. All right? Here's the thing. We're back over the 200-week SMA. Are we going to get the weekly close above the 200 SMA? Let me know in the chat, guys. Do you think that we get a weekly close above the 200 SMA, which is at 22,800 as we speak? I want to know what you guys think. I think we are going to get a close above that. Bearing some absolutely just catastrophic event happening tomorrow. I think we will get a close above that. All right? I do. So, going forward, if we close back above that, that's a good sign. And I will say, going back in history, the things that we want to do is we want to get a close above the 200 SMA and above the 200 EMA. We go back in the past, right? Where have we seen big rallies start? Well, it's when Bitcoin drops below the 200-week and the 200-week EMA and the SMA. When it gets back above, it usually goes on a pretty nice rally going back in time. Right here, we drop below, got a nice rally to the upside, also marked the bottom of crypto. Drop below both of them right here, also marked the bottom of crypto, continued up to the upside, right? Now, we still got a long way to go, but keep this in mind, right? We drop below the 200 EMA right here, got back above right here, massive run. Drop below both of them right there, got back above, massive run. So we've seen this 4 different times, right? Do we have the juice to get back above the 200 weekly EMA? Right now, that's sitting at a measly, let's see, 26,759. So we got a lot of work to do with that one. We're really not close to that one if we want to be in all honesty here, but we got some work to do, man. Let's see. Here comes Clint, man. Here comes Clint. Here he is. We don't give 2 shits about the weekly or monthly close. No one gives a shit about that. Everyone wants to know what's going to happen over the weekend. Are we going to pump or dump? Who gives a shit where we pump on a monthly time frame? You know how much shit can happen in a monthly time frame? I could be dead. I'm 70 years old. I can literally be dead in a month. I don't give a shit about the monthly. Stick to the hourly and the 4-hour, dumbass. That's why we're here, for TA, not monthly banter. Christ, man. I don't have the time for that. There's Clint. All right, here, let's go back to BTC. 24,100. All right, we're trying to get a move up to the upside, man. We are sort of just crabbing at the moment, but we're trying to get that move to the upside. Here we go. some good shit, man. Some good shit. Some good shit, man. It's a good Friday. It's a good positive Friday. I'm ready to go today. I'm ready to go. There's a lot of longer term charts I want to look at today, guys. A lot of nice longer term charts I want to look at today. You guys want to look at longer term charts? I have a ton of different indicators and a ton of different things I want to talk about today. But first, I want to see if Bitcoin pumps. And let's take a look at some altcoins before we get too deep and dirty into that. Because I know you guys love altcoins. And I love altcoins too. I do love altcoins. You guys know I do. Let's go take a look at ETH. So look at ETH. ETH is trying to get back up to the upside. 1759 as we speak. Let's go look at the 1 hour time frame ETH. Oh yeah, man. Look at ETH right now. Coming back up to the highs. Let's freaking get busy, man, on ETH. Let's get it. Come on. Come on, ETH. Don't pour that M pattern, man. Don't be forming that M pattern. All right, here we go. Get out of here, man. 1760 coming up for Ethereum. Can Ethereum break the highs, man? Can Ethereum break the highs? We're coming up to 1760. Obviously, we're just going to mark it off. We're just going to mark it off there. We need ETH to get back up there. We do not want to make our classic M formation. Okay, no M formations allowed here for Ethereum. Okay. You guys don't know what the M formation is. You just simply don't want to get the rise up, the retrace, the come back up, come back down. Now, I do like the structure for Ethereum. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, it's exactly the structure that we want to see initially, which is you get the big volume pump up, create that yellow vector, right? You get the move up with the yellow vector, right? You retrace back down, take that yellow vector looking left, off the 50 EMA, continuation to the upside. Now you just need to make that higher high, and you got momentum to the upside, man. All right. So we need some more volume. There's no volume, as Mike would say, but ETH not looking too shabby right now, my friends. That clapping song is great. You guys want the happy clappy song? Oh, we can get the happy clappy song. There's one coin I want to do the happy clappy song. Franco, what's going on, buddy? Franco became a member. Good to see you, Franco. Good to have you as on the team, my friend. I'll see you at 9:45. My friends. All right, so ETH not looking too shabby, at least on the 1 hour. Let's check the 15-minute. You're probably going to have some bearish div, though. Yes, not quite yet. Not quite yet. If Ethereum closes above this previous high and can fail to break the high, it's going to have a little bit of bearish divergence on the 1 hour, so just be careful there. All right? Bitcoin still chilling. Still not doing too much on BTC. We might have to wait for the end of the daily close here, which is it's another 35 minutes, if you know what I mean. Yeah, we're going to check out alts. Don't worry, guys. We're going to check out altcoins. We're going to check out altcoins, man. Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik's always impressed, man. Have you ever seen Vitalik? He's a swell-looking guy, I do have to say. All right, let's jump on into this. So we have, real quick on some of our macro stuff. I got a pretty nice, when we get to the long-term charts, guys, we're going to look at so many long-term charts for BTC. We got the Madrid ribbon. You guys are going to make fun of it. You got the Madrid ribbon. You got the EMA ribbon. You got the Gaussian channel. You got the bull market support band. You got the Bitcoin growth curves. You got a bunch I want to look at here, okay? And kind of make some type of thesis for the longer term, all right? We're going to look at this for a second. And we also got the same thing for Ethereum. Bunch of long-term charts for Ethereum. We got a juicy new fractal for Ethereum, okay? A really juicy new fractal. Okay, I know you guys love your fractals. Okay, and I'm not fractal boy for no reason. So we got a juicy fractal coming up here for Ethereum. That's not the Amazon fractal. All right. But you know, before we jump onto that, can we appreciate the S&P? S&P getting a massive move to the upside. This is beautiful, beautiful stuff. Exactly what we want to see. The Nasdaq breaking resistance today. S&P obviously broken a few days ago. We're looking good on at least the stock market going into next week. Can we continue? Is the question. But the stock markets are looking juicy, my man. Looking juicy. Let's get a little happy clappy in the little old business for that, baby.
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed. clapping, 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 clapping. Yeah, yeah. We started clapping, 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 clapping.
Come on, man. Come on. No, but the stock market's looking really, really good. DXY continued to break down from this trend line. Everything's kind of going to according to plan at the moment. Now this could this could change in a matter of minutes. But we've got the stock markets going up. We got the DXY finally coming down, right? Breaking this trend that was forming since May, right? DXY breaking that trend. Can it continue? It's going to come back down and test the 50 EMA over the course of the next couple days. Can it break that 50 EMA? If it does, oh, that's going to be a beautiful, beautiful time for a lot of different asset classes. But we don't want it to hold, okay? If it holds, it bounces. It's not what we want to see. It's not what we want to see, my friends. Let's see. F the stock market, we need crypto to go up. Well, we need the stock market to go up. We want crypto to go up. We know how this works. All right, let's do a couple different alts. Let's do a couple different altcoins here. What's going nuts? Link the Slink. Now, I want everyone to be careful here because Link the Slink, when Link the Slink pumps, everything goes down. Let's ask Chris. Chris will tell you exactly what I mean, okay? Chris will tell you exactly what I mean. Chris, come on, buddy. No, Chris. They need you to warn them about Link, your ex-wife. Okay? They need you to warn you. Come on, Chris, get over here. No, I know you don't want to talk about her. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. All right, hold on 1 second. Chris is going to tell you about Link, guys. What's going on, guys? Long time no see. I got to tell you something a little bit about Chainlink. I hope she's not listening. She's gonna go to court. Okay. Guys, when Chainlink pumps, I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. When Chainlink pumps, everything is gonna fall around it. Everything's gonna crash and burn. When everything looks good with Chainlink, everything else dumps. I'm telling you right now. Get out of the market while you can. Everything's gonna dump. Chainlink's pumping. Get out quick. Oh no, here she comes. Guys, I warned you. If you don't see me ever again, she got me. Okay? Let's get it, man. All right. Guys, you know how it is, though. You know how it is. All right? Right here. You know how it is. If Chainlink's pumping, just be careful. But this time could be different. Let's go back to BTC. 21,129. All right, here we go. 21,129. Come on, BTC. Don't tease us tonight. Don't be a tease. All right? Joshua said, can you invite Tyler S. on your show? Listen, I've always want to have people on my show. Okay? I want to have people on here. All right? It would be fun to have, at least for like a 10-minute segment or something, at least have someone to shoot the shit with on here. That would be pretty fun. I got to start doing that, man. I got to start. I'll reach out to some people. I know I've said that before, and I completely lied to you guys. I completely rug pulled that. But we won't do it this next time, okay? I will reach out to some people and see if they want to come on, all right? But no, Link, though. Link is going nuts right now. You got to love when shit works out. Link's going nuts. Can Link close? Because if you look left on Link, you had this previous high right here. If Link can close up here and close back above this, I mean, for Link, we're talking about all the way up here to the next high at 969, right? Now, this is not me. Don't FOMO into Link, okay? The number one thing about my channel is do not FOMO. If I'm saying something looks good, that means that probably the time to buy is gone, okay? The time to buy was down here, somewhere down here, okay? Not where it is now, okay? Do not FOMO. FOMO leads to wreckness. Buy supports, buy red candles. Do not buy green candles and do not buy resistance, okay? I will say that again. The Link is up 12% of the day. So what can we expect, right? Link's killing it. Is this going to turn into some bigger W formation on Link, my man? Where we get the first hit, we get the second hit, we get the rise, and some massive W formation that's forming here for Link. Let's find out, right? Let's find out. But you got some room to run in the 4 hour. Let's see. 4 hour. is getting a little bit up there. You still could run up a little bit higher though. 1 hour time frame still showing some bearish divergence. So as always, guys, I will say this. As always, all right, just be wary of these divergences. They cannot play out, right? If something wants to be bullish and just say screw you, there's plenty of times where these don't play out. But if you take it for what it is, you do got higher highs and you got lower highs on the RSI. So just be careful right here, okay? I will remain cautionably optimistic, especially about Chainlink, because Chainlink tends to crush all our dreams. Be cautiously optimistic here, all right? Let's go back to BTC. We'll check out some other altcoins in a second, guys. I want to check out BTC here real quick. 24,097. Ethereum. Look at ETH, man. 1761. Still trying to climb back up to the upside. It's the same thing for ETH, man. If ETH can get some more momentum, which let's find out if it can, but you do got the classic rise, retrace to the 50, continuation up, all right? You do got that. So not doing too bad right there. So you see and get Link at 100x leverage? No. Don't do that, my man. Man. You guys having a fantastic Friday? Holy moly. What's going on, Beth? Beth said no. Marty M said too late, I FOMO'd. Oh, God, man. Horse guy? I know a horse guy's thinking about Link right now. Let's go to the daily chart on Link. Wait, horse guy's going to check Link right now. This is not good, guys. This is not good. Horse guy's seeing Link. Oh, no. Wow! Look at Link! There's so many altcoins still at their lows. But look at Link. It is pumping. It is above resistance. I must buy. That's what Carl the Moon told me. He told me you break resistance, you go all in. I'm buying Link right now. I'm going all in. Yes. Yes. Here I go. Let me bring up Robinhood. Yes, Robinhood Link. Because Link has Robinhood now. Here we go. Yes. Oh, why is Rover on the screen? Rover. Oh, God, man. Why is Rover on the screen, bro? All right, hold on. Yes, we got another confirmation. Yes, we pumped up Link. And you know what we usually do? We pump Link to dump the rest of the markets. And we have Horse Guy that bought in. Yes. Hey, do you want to go to dinner tomorrow night? Yes. We can talk about Horse Guy FOMOing and getting wrecked. Yes, you do? Okay, yes. Let's dump the whole crypto markets now. We did our job. Dump it now. All right. We know. Why was Rover on the screen, man? All right. Bitcoin's coming back down now. So there it is, guys. We got the wick back above, but we couldn't close back above it, at least right now. We still got 25 minutes left to go. Okay, 25 minutes into the close, but still remains the same. Still remains the same here, man. Let's see. Oh, man. You got to love it. All right. What else we got, guys? What do you guys rather do? Let's look at this poll real quick. Is the pump over? You guys said 53% said no. 47% said yes. So 53% of people think that the pump is not over for Bitcoin and we're going to continue up. Interesting. I'm not surprised. I mean, the recent price action has been to the upside. Let's do a new poll now. All right? Let's do this. And no, we don't want Bart Simpson. We're not even going to look at Bart Simpson tonight because we want, yes, the price action's looking Barty. No, we don't want Bart Simpson in the chat. So we're not looking at Bart Simpson tonight, even though we don't like this little sideways action here. Let's do another poll. What to look at next? Okay, let's ask this. All coins, long-term BTC charts. Let me ask you guys next. All coins, or long-term BTC charts. Let me know in the chat. My man. Or let me know the poll, actually. Let me know the poll. In the meantime, let's see what else we got here. We'll look at a few different alts. This is obviously Bart. don't be talking about Bart Simpson like that, my friend. All right. So DOT was another one that came up today. DOT looking pretty good. Got back above the 50 EMA. Exactly what we want to see. Now, can it get, the last little juice that it needs to get back over some of these previous highs? Because if you look at DOT, it's really this range right here needs to get back over, man. Right? The previous support flipped into resistance, Now you're coming back up to the upside. Can it get back over that? That's the question. All right, let's take a look at some short-term time frames to give us a little bit of a clue. 4-hour doesn't look too shabby. You get your 4-hour stocks that are topped out right at resistance. Typically not a great sign. No bearish div, though, which is good. I'm sure there's going to be hourly divergence. Yeah, still got bearish divergence on the hourly, though. Still got lower highs. Still got higher highs. You're going to see this from a bunch of different alts, man. But here's what I'll say. You're going to see this from a lot of different alts. But the hourly can move so fast that if this pumps up here and gets back above this level, it's going to be nullified pretty quick. But you got to take it for what it is. Okay, bearish divergence right at resistance, usually not the best sign to go forward. Okay, so take it for what it is. If we do come back down, say on DOT, I would look at, honestly, if this was like some type of rising wedge, it looks like it could be some type of wedge formation like that. If it does come back down, the target would be back down at 740. You also got a blue vector candle back down here, 734. So you got some levels to come back down and take if DOT wants to come back down. Bitcoin still just going sideways. Still just doing its thing ultimately here. Let's see. Holy God, look at this poll, man. What to look at next? 48% said altcoins. 52% said long-term Bitcoin charts. You got to love it, my friends. You got to love it. Look at everyone who wants to look at long-term charts. I'm so proud of everyone growing up, man. Why? Because altcoins ain't going nowhere if Bitcoins ain't going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Who's Mo, man? I don't even know who Crypto Mo is. Is that like wannabe crypto guy? Or wannabe Carl the Moon? Is that guy? It's all gonna dump, sell it, manipulation. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You got to friggin' love it, man. You gotta love it. The 87th biggest channel in the interwebs. Guys, Bitcoin is actually looking super bullish right now. Now, I know I told you guys that Bitcoin's going to go down 85% and it's going to bottom in November. And it's going to go down to 10K based off my statistics and based off my sources. Okay? But I'm starting to change my tune. I do think that we're super bullish right now, and we're actually going to go into a nice rally to the upside now, and we're not going to go back down to 10K. Okay? I am now super, super bullish. Super, super bullish. I will say that. Wait. You can't say that. You're not bullish. You're not bullish. We can't tell our viewers that. We can't tell our viewers that. What do you mean? Don't tell our viewers. Don't do that. TJ, if you start saying that one more time, I'm going to come over there and I'm going to wipe that big friggin' mouth off your ass. All right? Get out of here with your low IQ takes. Nice, man. I'm on vacation too. I'm not supposed to be here for a month. Can I listen to you, man? All right. Fire TJ. All right, hold on. Let's see. Let's see, you guys are saying it here. Crypto Mofo. You guys say it in the chat. Who the heck? Let's see. I'm just reading the chat going up there about something that I said earlier. No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that, man. We're not doing that. Holy moly, man. There we go. Come on, man. Holy moly, Dave. Dave coming in, $50 make you holla. Have a good weekend. I'm out of here. Dave, peace out, brother. Have a good night, man. We also had Clint coming in. Holy moly. Did you guys plan that? You guys had to plan that, man. There's no way you guys didn't plan that. Clint coming in with the super chat, too. Give some of this back. Always give back when you can. Small things can go a long way. I'm going to give back to people that are in my Discord. Okay? So, let me give a... Let me see if I got something in here. Do I have a Discord link? If someone can post a Discord link, join the Discord. Okay? We're going to go in there. Whether it's tonight or tomorrow, we're going to have a little fun. Okay? We're going to do a little contest in there. Okay? So make sure you're in there. It's going to be either tonight or tomorrow morning. All right? We're going to do a little contest. So make sure you're in the Discord. All right? Seriously. We'll be in there, man. You guys definitely planned that, though. Dave, see you, man. See you. Please check Unify. It has 90% pump. Okay, interesting. Because I want to do a little contest, man. We got to make this a little interesting. A little interesting, man. All right? We got to do a little contest with this shit. All right. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Brian, thanks for hanging out, buddy. Love the kiss face. Love the kiss face. I love when my biggest trolls just come and want to give me a hug. It's great. It's great. You're like, Jordan, I know I troll you every day, but you put a smile on my face. That's exactly what Brian just said. And I love that, man. I love that. Some of my biggest trolls. Joined the Discord yesterday. Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna do a little thing in there. All right, so we got 15 minutes into the daily close. Bitcoin still just kind of going sideways. Really nothing else going on right now. Still looking for this, ultimately the diamond pattern to play out. We got bearish divergence at a couple different time frames. Take it for what you will. I'm hoping Bitcoin just says, like I said, I'm hoping personally that Bitcoin just says screw you and just pumps us to the upside. So everything else can go up too. But right now, we're sort of just chilling like a villain, man. Chilling like a villain. Hold up. Let's see. Cryptos R Us was banned for talking about food. Cryptos R Us. I'll find you in there, my friend. Or cryptos aren't us. Cryptos aren't us. I'll find you in there, my friend. I do. You can tell it's a bullish day when trolls are polite. Oh, facts. Here comes Lewis with the troll. Yeah, leave it to Lewis. He's always coming in. All right. Anyways, let's jump back in. Let's look at the poll. It's literally 50-50 on the poll. What to look at next? 50-50 altcoins, long-term Bitcoin charts. Let's talk some long-term Bitcoin charts. Okay? Because everyone I think wants to know the big question. Everyone wants to know, and no one really knows this 100%. But let's take a look at a few things. All right. First thing I want to look at is simply just market cipher. All right. Look at where this came back down to recently. Okay, and now I want to preface, before we go on to all this stuff, I want to preface this first. No one knows where the bottom is in, okay? No one knows if it's in, if it's not in, if it's going to be in, if the bottom's going to be in 6 months, a year, 5 years, or if the bottom's already in now. No one knows. But all you can do is look at what you have. So I want to preface that first, okay? Let's look at what we have. If you look at market cipher down here and look at where these waves have came back down to the last 3 times, we know we just got that green dot on the weekly time frame, and I highlighted it here for you guys. Right, the last couple times that we got this green dot all the way at the bottom. Okay, and these are longer term things, man. You can still dump. I want to preface this too. Quick rant alert. These are weekly time frames.
Rant
okay?
alert.
2-week time frames. You can still dump for a couple days or even a couple weeks and these still be the same, okay? So I want to preface that first. Doesn't mean that we can't dump back down to 20K, okay? Doesn't mean we can't dump back down to 19K, 18K, all right? Doesn't mean that, all right? So just remember that, okay? Right here. This is where this is where we got that green dot last time. Right here, not exactly at the bottom, but as we started to move up to the upside, okay? The time before that was right here in December 2018, which was literally when we started pumping from the bottom there. Where did we get that green dot this time? Okay. We got the green dot right here, once again, as we started to move up from our previous local bottom. Okay. So take it for what it is. There's a lot of confluence right there. Okay. And there's only been so many times in history that we have gotten that green dot on the weekly time frame. Okay, there's only been a few. There's only been, you know, even close to lows. I mean, there's only been 3 times that we've seen this. All right. If we go to say the 2-week, okay, and look at where we're on the 2-week chart, we haven't got the dot yet. But here's the thing on the 2-week chart: you've only gotten those as low as you are now twice in history. Okay, and both times those actually marked the bottoms. You actually got it 4 times. Twice back here in 2015, which was at the lows. Once right here back in 2018. All right, and then also you also had you're very, very close to flipping it back over here. Right, you see right here, if you get even probably one more 2-week green candle, you're gonna flip that back up to the upside too. And it's only been 3 other times in history that you've gotten that, and that's been literally at the lows for crypto. So once again, take it for what you will. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm not saying the bottom is in, because this is just one indicator. But Market Cipher ain't looking too shabby, man. Ain't looking too shabby where you're at right now. All right. Let's look at a few other things here. Let me get rid of this in the charts. Let's clear these drawings here. All right. So that's just one. That's just one thing here. Your mom said so exciting. What's with the blue Christmas trees at the bottom of the screen? Get out of here, Mike, with the blue Christmas trees. Let's look at another one here. Let's take a look at just the simple RSI, which everyone loves to talk about. Let's start on the weekly time frame here. All right? Let's start on the weekly time frame. Okay, and we can go over a few things here too. We're just looking at past history. Right here. Oversold on the weekly. Where was that in the crypto space? Right there. Right at the bottom. Right at the bottom in 2014. Right here on the weekly time frame right here, December 2018. Where was that? Right here. Right at the bottom. Okay? Once again, where were you oversold on the weekly? On the weekly, once again, you dumped it right there, right at the bottom. As of right now, okay? As of right now, okay? It could definitely curl back over, but as of right now, that's where you went back there. So the 2 times before that on the weekly, that's also where you ended up getting a bottom as well. Let me go back over here real quick. Life is Good said FOMOing in now. Hey, I'm going to show you guys a bunch of different things that makes an argument, okay? It at least makes an argument. This is ignoring big macro factors, okay? But this is at least making an argument that the bottom could possibly be in. Possibly. Right? Let's look at the 2-week chart. Where have we bottomed before? I'm going through all the indicators that you could possibly look at, guys. Right here. Right here. And right here. Okay? Look at where you're at in the 2-week chart. The same points where you were at at the previous times. You started to curl back up to the upside. That was the point where Bitcoin bottomed out. Okay? So once again, you're at the same point that you were, all right, in the 2 previous bear markets. All right? Exactly at the same point. Okay? On the weekly and on the 2-week. The monthly time frame can say the same thing. All right? Right here. Right here. Bada bing. Let's bring this up. Come on, man. Get it. It's ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. You get the point, though. You get the point. It's ridiculous, man. I can't even move him. Do that. Jordan, are you serious? Are you literally just serious? You can't even move a box up on TradingView, and you're trying to tell us the bottom is in? You think we're going to listen to you? You can't even move a box. You look like the horse guy trying to use TradingView. Wow, look at these colors. Let's draw a trend line to show that we are bullish. Because I just started my own channel. I'm going to be a crypto influencer. Let's see. Let's do this. Let's draw a trend line up like this. Wow! Look! The bottom is in! Look at this! The bottom is in! Look at this trend line! It is bullish! I'm going all in! I'll be back! Oh man, I love Horse Guy, man. I love Horse Guy. It actually was kind of a legit trend line though. I have to give him some credit. Let's get off this. All right, so you got everything up to the monthly time frame on the RSI. The last thing, hash ribbons indicator. You got the capitulation flash. Okay, we haven't seen the buy signal yet on the hash ribbons indicator, so we're gonna keep this up. That's one of the last things I'm waiting for is the buy signal and the hash ribbons. When you get the capitulation flash, that means that that miners are capitulating. Okay, or they have to sell BTC to cover costs, right? To cover their mining costs. So when you get the buy signal, that means that they're usually everything's all set and go. Every buy signal has resulted in a massive pump for BTC. So we're still waiting for that buy signal. We'll go back to that when we get it, but we don't quite have that right now, man. All right, let's go back over here. That was actually pretty legit trend line, though. You know? Yeah, because you drew it? Yeah, I guess, man. Better than buy now, you're sorry. Let's go check BTC real quick. We'll go back to the longer term charts. BTC still in the diamond pattern, okay? So we're talking long-term charts right now. Short-term, all right? You know when I do this. That's not great. It's better than when Bob does that, or when Jabba does that. When Jabba does that, you got to watch out. Come on. Come out. Why did I eat all that Chinese food? No, but shorter term, let's see if we break this to the downside now. All right, we got to get a close out of this. All right, a close out of this shit. This is a diamond reversal pattern that would push us back to the downside in the short term. All right, let's go check a few other things here real quick. Let me go back over here. Let's go check out a few other things. So let's go back to that chart, and I'm going to show you guys the juicy. In a second, I'm going to show you guys the juicy Ethereum fractal. Okay, you guys are going to like my juicy Ethereum fractal. Doesn't mean that it was going to play out, but you know. We'll track it. We'll track it, okay? We got a juicy Ethereum fractal that I got for you guys. Just wait. You're going to like this one. You guys know you love my fractals, okay? Even though you might say they never play out, which might be accurate. You might like it. All right, so let's take a look at a few different things. So this is the Madrid. Hello, you guys are funny, man. I always know what you guys are going to say before you even say it. This is the... I already know what you guys are going to say. Oh, man, dude. Sorry. This is the Madrid ribbon, okay? It's a different form of the EMA ribbon with a couple different other things into it, okay? So, basically, I went back and I looked at a bunch of different time frames for this, okay? And I looked back in time and I looked at when the Madrid... When the Madrid ribbon, you dump from the Madrid ribbon, okay? But you get back into it. That's usually when the bottom is in. Okay? That's usually when the bottom is in. All right? All right? And bear with me here. Bear with me. I'm not making shit up. Bear with me. All right? Right here, guys. You can see it right here. You dump from the Madrid... You dump from the Madrid ribbon, all right? You were able to get back into it here in 2018 or 2019, right here. And that marked the bottom, and you ended up going back to the upside. Same thing back here in March of 2020. You dump from it. This is on the weekly time frame. You dump from it. You were able to get back into it right here. You're able to get back into it. That was the start of the run. All right, let's go back in time a little bit. Right here, right? You dump from it, right here, you dump from it. You were able to get back, you got back into it a few times, but when you're able to get back out of it, right here, that was the start of the run. If we take a look at what Bitcoin's doing now, okay? Once again, don't shoot the messenger. You dump from it, you're able to get back into it now. So, just based off history, okay? That has been a bullish indicator of us getting back into this after dumping from it. Now, also on the 2-week time frame, okay? The 2-week time frame, which is another great indicator, in my opinion. You take it for what you will. You guys might disagree. On the 2-week, it's the same thing. 2-week. when you dumped from the Madrid. Oh, I knew as soon as I brought up the Madrid indicator, you guys are gonna go, "What the hell is this? Where did he find this?" Oh, man. Oh my lord, man! The Madrid indicator. I had to dig deep to find this one. Okay, I looked through every deep depths of TradingView to find this one. But all right, be serious. Be serious for just a second, okay? Because we can be serious sometimes on here. When you dumped from the Madrid ribbon here on the 2-week, that marked the big capitulation phase right here, right? The big capitulation phase for Bitcoin back in 2018. You dumped, same thing. You got back into it. You're able to get back above. That was the sign that the next rally was going to start. Right back here. You dumped from it. That was the big capitulation event right here. After that, you're able to get back into it. That was the sign of the rally to the upside. Look where Bitcoin's coming up to right now. Look where it's coming up to right now, my man. Screw your spin. If you look at it, man. I'm not making this shit up though, right? You guys want to make fun of my indicator. Look at it right here, man. That was the sign. You broke it. That was the sign of the capitulation event. Look what Bitcoin's coming back up to into right now. Don't shoot the messenger, my man. I'm only talking about what I see. I can't make shit up, okay? Jordan, you make shit up all the time. You talk about diamond patterns? Like, let's go look at your diamond pattern, bro. Look at this. It doesn't even have a good shape. Look at this thing. It's not even straight lines. What kind of diamond is this? Looks like a 2-year-old drew that. No, but let's go back real quick. Let's go back. And down here, I'm not making this shit up, man. I'm going to look at this going forward. Right here. You broke from the Madrid. Every time I say it, I laugh, man. It's the name. If it was called anything else, I wouldn't laugh. But it's got to be the Madrid ribbon. You dumped from it right here. That was the capitulation event. You were able to get back into it. Right? You went sideways for a little bit longer. Once again, you dumped from it. That was another capitulation, but then you were able to get back above it, and that was the reversal sign. I'm not making this shit up, my man. All right? So now what we want to see for Bitcoin is we want to get back above this. All right? Or at least get back above the bottom of it to be slightly bullish. All right? And right now we're literally at the bottom of it. So let's see what happens, but that's not too shabby as well. Let's get rid of the Madrid ribbon. Let's go. Let's get rid of the Madrid ribbon. All right? Let's look at another thing here. All right? So let's see this. You guys know, you guys love Ben Cowan. All right? You guys know I love my EMAs, my SMAs. You guys know, love to make fun of me for my EMAs and my SMAs. All right? BTC's not dumping. BTC's still here, man. It's not going anywhere just yet. We're going to continue to watch, but Bitcoin hasn't gone anywhere just yet. So don't get your panties in a bunch, right? Don't get it up, man. Capitation. The Madrid ribbon eventer. It's not really dumping right now, all right? A lot of you guys don't like Ben Cowan? Oh, you guys don't? Okay, now I have to bring him on the stream just because you don't like him, man. All right, come on, Ben. Come on, Ben. Come on, you got to come on the stream now. No. I know my stream's in the sun, but you got to get some sun, man. You got to put some sun on those white legs. Come on, buddy. Come on. You got to get some sun, man. You haven't seen the sun in like 3 years, bro. Enough with the Into the Cryptoverse website, man. You got to come in here. Enough data analysis. We know you got your PhD. Come on, man. Come get a tan. All right, hold on, guys. Thanks for jumping back into the Cryptoverse. Today, we're going to talk about the Bitcoin bull market support band. Okay? If you guys enjoyed today's content, make sure you hit up the like button. Also, if you want to join into the cryptoverse.com for premium content, we're having a sale right now that's not going to last too much longer. Okay? Even though it's been going on for like 3 years. All right? So here we go. So, let's talk about the bull market support band today, guys. I have a little bit of dubious speculation that I want to go over today. Right now, the bottom of our bull market support band right now is about 29,600. If you're not familiar with the bull market support band, okay, quite dubiously and quite seriously, the bull market support band has acted as bear market resistance and bull market support. If we go look up at the previous bull markets, you can find that the bull market support band acts as support all the way up, right? This was back in 2015. We go back over here to 2020. You can see it acted as support all the way back up here. You can see 2017 acted as support on the way back up. And in the bear markets, it simply acts as resistance, okay? And it acts as resistance. So if you look right here, it acted as resistance on the bear market. And so far this bear market, it's acted as resistance, all right? So we need to get back above that bull market support band if we want to be bullish. And I do, quite frankly, we are a little bit overextended. And I do think we have a good chance of coming back up and testing the bull market support band. Okay, so guys, don't be scheduling your Forbes interview just yet. I know Bitcoin's at 24K. Everyone wants to party. Okay, but do not schedule your Forbes interview yet. We got to get back above the bull market support band. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure you hit up the like button. Sign up for intothecryptoverse.com. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. There we go, man. Holy moly, I look so much different with the beard, man. Holy moly, man. Thank God I have a beard. Holy moly, I look like a Sasquatch with no beard. Actually, the opposite of a Sasquatch. Like a bald Sasquatch. Holy moly. Remember those days? A lot of you guys used to watch me in my no beard days. Way back in the day. We're talking to like early to mid 2020 days. You were back here in those days. You were. All right, let's see. Let's see what you guys are saying in here. Not a bad impression. Why you're wearing eyeshadow? Not wearing eyeshadow. You serious? All right. Back to BTC. We're still holding up. We're still holding up a little bit on BTC. All right, that's the bull market support band. You guys know you love the bull market support band. I know you do. Don't be hating on the bull market support band, my man. Right, nice try. We know the beard is a filter. So you think this is not the filter. And you think this is the filter. The Viking has a beard. Yeah, that's the real beard. That's the real beard. You're right. You're right. All right. So, yeah, I guess now we kind of wait to see what Bitcoin wants to do, because right now we talked about what Bitcoin wants to do or should do. We got the daily close, by the way. The daily close ended up being a red daily close. While I was ranting about who knows what I was ranting about at the daily close, but nevertheless, we got a wick to the upside, wick to the downside, little wicks everywhere. It sounds so wrong. Wick to the upside, wick to the downside. So kind of an indecision candle up here at the top. It's normally what you don't want to see at resistance is one of these indecision candles. You had one right here that resulted in a dump. You had, see if I find another example here. A couple up here, but that wasn't hugely terrifying. Not actually a lot of examples on these daily charts, but at least that I can see. But you normally don't want to see that. It means there's a little indecision at resistance. You don't want to see indecision at resistance. You want to see follow through at resistance. So let's see. We're still at the bear flag highs at the end of the day. So let's see what happens next, guys. Alts are kind of trying to go up a little bit here. Oh, because Bitcoin's trying to go up in the new day. That's why. I was like, why it looks like alts are coming up. It's kind of weird, man. Let's see what Gala's doing. Gala still hasn't broken out yet. It's kind of disappointing. All right. Bitcoin's right at support, guys. Let's watch Bitcoin real quick. Madrid ribbons during the daily close. Hey, let me know. Do you guys like the Madrid ribbons? Did you learn something from the Madrid ribbons? Let me know. Okay, maybe if we were in Spain, if I was in Spain, I was in Spain while I looked at the Madrid ribbons, you guys would be like, that's pretty cool, but we're not in Spain. Where's the happy clappy song? We only play that when we're pumping, man. Bitcoin is not pumping yet, or not pumping at the moment, as I should say. David said, dumping coming, sell now. We are in a diamond pattern, man. We are in a diamond pattern. All right, let's see what else we got here, guys. You guys wanted to see my Ethereum fractal. Okay, now. Clint said wicks all over and validate all the damn vectors, and now someone is confused. we got a lot of shit going on. You guys wanted to see. Let me take off my hat, by the way, because my hair is fuego today. It's all jacked up, but it's fuego. Look at this hair. Holy moly. It's sexy. All right, so what do we got going on here? You guys wanted to see my Ethereum fractal. First, before we do the Ethereum fractal, let's watch Ethereum. Let's watch the Ethereum co-founder, Wally Pickens his nose, also play Vitalik Clappy. This is the guy who I have my most amount of my crypto invested in. Okay, so take that for what you will. Ready?
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed.
He's picking his nose, and that's him on the left.
Clapping, clapping, clapping.
Yep, that's who I have all my faith in, guys. All my faith. You know what I'm saying?
Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping.
He said, "Don't fight the Fed." Luckily, everything I think the Fed said is priced in until for now. For now, things can change really, really quick. You know what I mean? Let's see. Creighton said, "Hate to show up, Clint and Dave, but boom, get yourself some Gala and maybe some Ada." You know I'm gonna be getting myself some Gala, man. Gala is the homie, man. Gala's the homie for sure. Appreciate you, Creighton. Thanks for hanging out, bro. Thanks for hanging out, man. You need a new hero? So just want to put that out there. Drew, what's going on, buddy? Good to see my guy Drew in the chat. All right, let's look at Fractal. All right, now, I'm going to state this up front. Do I think this is going to play out like this? I'm going to say no, okay? But up until this point, this Fractal has been absolutely on point. And before I tell you where this Fractal is from, okay, you guys might be able to find it yourself. I'm not going to tell you where it's from for now, okay? I want to see if you guys can guess in the chat. Where is this fractal from, boy? Maybe it's not from Ethereum. But let's take a look. Now, it's not meant to be apples to apples, oranges to oranges, pears to pears. Okay? But I know you guys love fractals. You guys used to freaking literally like jerk off to my fractals. I know you did. I know you did. I know you guys were in the back room looking at my fractals back in the day going like this.
Wow! Look at Jordan's fractal! It looks like it's gonna pop! Wow, okay. I need to do this. I'm sorry. I need to do this. Mom, don't knock on the door for like 10 minutes, okay? Jordan's looking at fractals. All right, let me get some toilet paper. Actually, no, there's no toilet paper. Let me just use my sock.
All right. No, but in all seriousness, all right? Where is this fractal from? Where is this fractal from, man? Who we got in here right now? Real PC, what's going on, bud? What's going on? Yo, you guys want the indicators? Traders Reality, man. And if you use the Traders Reality indicator, make sure you guys go subscribe to Traders Reality so you guys can learn from the best person who can explain it to you, which is Tino from Traders Reality, all right? But anyways, Ethereum. What are we looking at here? You guys might be like, dude, what the hell is this, bro? What the hell is this? All right. Now, you could fit this many different ways. Okay. But I want to point to a couple of different of these similarities here. Now, I don't think it's going to do this. I don't think we're going to see a 50,000 Ethereum in January of 2023. I want to put that out there. Okay. It's not about this. It's not about this. It's about the current price action. All right. So far, this has been pretty good. And if we were to mark this off as previous high, right? We get the first high. Okay. We get the pullback. Right? Let me mark this as green for support. We get the pullback like that. All right. Then we get the second rise up. We get the higher high. All right. Let me mark this as red for some resistance like this. This was a wick right here. Don't mind this. This is a big wick, right? But we get a second higher high as resistance, right? And then we came back down. Alpy, why are you spreading FUD, man? How are you going to say Tino's not profitable, man? Tino is a genius, right? Don't be spreading fun in the chat, Alpy. I love you, Alpy, but don't be spreading fun about my homie in there, all right? Don't be spreading fun. Mason came in with the super chat. He said, how do I get the vector candles on TradingView? Traders Reality, man. Clay with the super chat. What's going on, Clay? Appreciate that, my bud. My bud. Why does that sound so weird to say? Anyways, then he came back down. He made another low. Let me mark this as support again. All right? Like this. Then we came back down. Mark the support again. Once again, this was a giant wick. Ignore the freaking wick. Ignore the wick. We don't care about wicks on this channel. All right? And then we came back up to the upside. Made a lower high. All right? We mark this as, let's mark this as orange. Why not? Because orange is a good color. If you don't think orange is a good color, I don't care about your opinion. All right? So you got rejected there. And then you got a massive dump back to the downside. Where everyone was saying you're going to zero. You're going to zero. Good luck. Sayonara, suckers. But somehow you found support. All the way down to the deep, deep depths of the crypto abyss. Somehow, some way you found support. All right? And then you started a nice little rally to the upside. All right? Now, the wicks are long as hell. Yeah, ignore the wicks. Ignore the damn wicks. Now, this might be some hopium, okay? But, like Wayne in the said, extended flat correction. We've seen this before. Now, where do you think, and I will say this. I will say this, man. First, what do you think of the fractal? Okay? Clint, I would say this. Clint, I would normally, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut, man. All right, so I'll say this, man. Here's the deal. Here's the deal. What do you guys think about my fractal? This is more so just for fun, to see if it plays out. I like to see if fractals play out. I'm not using this as any financial advice. I'm not making any trades off this shit, okay? But what do you guys think? Let me know. You guys think this could be any way? I'm not saying you pump up like this, but at least a little bit of a move to the upside. Do you think there's any chance of anything like this happening? All right? Let me know in the chat. Let me know. Let me know. I'm looking at this for fun, man. Let me know. Amazon worked. Nice. Let me go over here. Why are you guys saying my face looks good? We said that like so long ago. You might as well just throw it away now. All right, sounds good. Sounds good. I look sweaty? Yeah. You might as well just throw it away now. Never touch another man's fractal. It's going to happen? No? Moon? All right. Where do you think I got this fractal from? Let me ask you guys a second question. Where do you think I got this fractal from? Your face looks hella ready? Yeah, I'm pretty sweaty right now. It's okay, though. It's okay. Because I can't have the fan on because I am more about the stream than I am about being cold. Okay? Look at this. He looks like he's sweating balls. I'm not just sweating balls. I'm sweating like... It's not just regular balls. It's like bowling balls. Down my face. It sounds so wrong. Drinking too much? No, I haven't been drinking too much. I promise, I haven't been drinking too much. All right. There we go. It's Amazon. It's actually not the Amazon chart. It could be like it. It could be like Amazon. It could be like Amazon. Don't get me wrong. But I actually got this fractal from, and don't make fun of me. This is just as a comparison. It's kind of like the Amazon one. Okay? It's not like Savvy's. But it's actually the same price action that we saw from Ethereum back in 2016 into 2017. This consolidation right here, okay, was the exact same formation that you're seeing right now. I don't think you're going to see this. I would be a very happy man. And you guys, if this happened right here, you guys would probably never see me again. Okay? If you want me to be honest. If ETH went from $5 to $1,650, you guys would probably never see me again. But here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. You know why? Because I would probably start some some other crypto company or some shit like that. But anyways, So, are we gonna see this play out again? I would say no, but it's up for interpretation. We shall revisit that in time. And if it's right, well, you know who found it first, man.
You found it from me, suckers!
Oh man. Oh man. No, I'm probably just kidding about not streaming. I still would probably stream. Probably not twice a day, but I definitely would still, because I enjoy just hanging out and talking charts. I mean, that's something I generally enjoy doing, and something I would still do. So I probably would still do it. I was sort of just kidding about that. All right. F that. I'm not quitting McDubs to work for Jordan. Come on, man. Come on. Yes, you would. You would quit McDubs to work for me. You would. If I offered you $10 an hour, would you come work for me, John? Come on, tell me. My fractal hurts from last night? Come on, man. You guys want a Tino face reveal? All right, only on my channel. Let's have Tino come on. He's going to do a face reveal. This is the surprise of today's stream. Smack up that like button for Tino's face reveal right now. Tino, let's go, buddy. Get on the stream right now. Yo, what's going on, guys? Happy days. Yes, I don't have my accent because I've been hanging out with Jordan a lot, and quite frankly, he's been he's been rubbing off on me a little bit. You know, we've been learning about vector candles together. You know, maybe rubbing our vector candles together a little bit. You know what I mean? Anyways, you guys want to see my face? You guys been waiting for my face, haven't you? Well, here we go, guys. You guys are about to have some happy days in the chat. All right, you guys want to see my face? Here's my face reveal, guys. Here we go. Here's my face. Yo, what's going on, guys? What do you think about me now? That's not even a good one. I was gonna do the unibrow. Yo, what's going on, fellas? It's your boy. It's your boy. Mad love in the chat. Mad love. All right. Oh, man. All right. Anyways. Pay yourself. Instead of pay yourself, he said pat yourself. Oh, God, man. All right. All right. Anyway, Slavic Jordan. Oh, God. $10 an hour in New York is peanuts. Do you want us to starve? Who said you have to be in New York? You don't have to be in New York. You can be anywhere you want. You know? Shame on you? Who are you saying shame on you? What are you, a Karen? Oh, we got Karen in the chat. Here she is. Here's Karen in the chat. She's coming in hot. Or I should say not hot, as I would say. But here she is. Shame on you! Shame on you for depicting Tino that way. This is against terms of service. Shame on you for having fun. You can't do that. This is 2022. You can't have any fun. Only comedians can say whatever they want. You're not a comedian. Comedians can say whatever they want, but everyone else has to shut their mouth. Jordan, do not say that again. I will report you for terms of service. Okay? I will report you to YouTube. How dare you do that? How dare you? You gotta love it, man. All right. Anyways, you guys notice that? A quick rant alert real quick. It's completely off topic. While we watch Bitcoin, just look at this shady price action that Bitcoin's doing right now. Just going sideways. You guys ever notice that?
Rant alert.
That comedians can say whatever they want, but it's okay because it's a joke. but no one else can say anything or it's offensive. You ever notice that? Like it's ridiculous, man. I always thought it's completely ridiculous. But anyways, it's besides the point. It's besides the point. What's up? Gala's pumping. Oh! It's going out. Let's get Gala, man. Mike, I know you got in Gala. Let's get it, man. Gala's pumping. Let's go! Breaking the resistance of the wedge. Ah! First chain link, then Gala. Bah! Let's go, man. It's their job. Even comedians can't say anything nowadays. I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that. I'm not gonna get too much into it, but I would not say that. Let's see. Feel like we've had this conversation before? I don't think so. I don't think so, man. You're the Bill Burr of internet. Don't ever change. Who's? I'm not gonna say Bill Burr. It's gonna go. You don't know who Bill Burr is? What an idiot. Here we go. Gala. 6% to the upside. Let's go, man. Who else got in on Gala? It's not doing anything crazy yet, but we're looking to actually finally break this wedge on the daily time frame that we've been looking at for a hot minute. A hot minute on this. It's finally looking like it's peeking its head over there, which is good. We know the last time it did was right in the same range it was last time, my man. Right over here. I don't know if I'm smelling anything, but something's a little smelly. Something's a little smelly up in these parts. We'll find out if it goes up any higher. We need Bitcoin to go higher, right? I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, it's fun to get pumped, but we need Bitcoin to not dump, okay? We need Bitcoin to pump here. But I do like there's some altcoins going up right now, though. Gala's continuing up. Link looks like it's trying to continue up here. Link's continuing up. What else we got? Dot's continuing up. All these ones that were kind of chilling before. That's why a lot of these alts are going to take turns, right? Right now, ETH, Matic sort of just chilling. Now you're seeing Dot, Chainlink, Gala. You're seeing, looks like even SHIB's trying to come up a little bit here. Nothing crazy for SHIB just yet. Doge, still just chill. I still think Doge is due, man. If Bitcoin gets that next pump, I got to think that Doge is due. Doge is going to be that next one, man. BNB's already ran yesterday. BNB's looking juicy, though. Some nice stuff there. ICP's pumping. All right, let's go check out ICP. I never thought I'd see the day. Watch ICP just come out of nowhere and be the best gainer or whoever the next run-up is. That would be crazy. ICP. Okay, ICP. Remember that old joke as a kid when someone said iCup, and you went, what? You went iCup, and they're like, what? And they go ICUP, and they run away like a little kid. But here we go, man. Pump song for ICP. Let's get it in the chat. Pump it. Memes run last. I guess that's true. Let's get it. I don't own any ICP, by the way. I own 0 ICP. But ICP's killed it, man. Happy for everyone that owns ICP. Bathwater said ICP rug. Yeah, ICP is probably one of the ugliest charts in crypto, man. It's got to be up there with the ugliest chart in crypto. Look at this thing, man. That is the ugliest chart in crypto. Watch it just go nuts now. I would be amazed. I don't even know why I have these lines up here. That must have been from way back in the day. Holy moly. But yeah, I mean, holy crap, man. That's one of the ugliest charts in crypto. Bill Burr would say something like this. Why don't you go play and hide and go F yourself? That's his TA. It's pretty good. It's pretty good TA, man. I gotta say, it's pretty good TA. It's better than a lot of people's TA. Probably even better, including the mine, you know? All right, so ICP's getting a nice run up. I mean, what can you say? I mean, the daily doesn't look too bad. Daily's actually got some room to run up. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. 4 hours going nuts. It's just a classic rise above the 50 EMA, retrace to the 50 EMA, continuation, as my guy Tino would say. Let's look up here. Do we have any vector candles that we can come back up and take? Let's see. Let's see. You got no bearish div. So, I mean, ICP's not looking too bad. You got these little vector candles up here, man. Straight all the way back from up here. I could see ICP going to like 925 to 945 to take this white vector that we haven't taken all the way back up to the upside here. Definitely could. So I'm actually going to mark that off. Could see ICP going up to 946 or so. Not too shabby, not too shabby. I would take that. That's obviously bearing in mind that Bitcoin at least holds this range for a little bit and allows alts to continue up. Because when Bitcoin goes sideways, that's when alts do their thing. You know what I mean? Bill Burr is funny AF. Is he? That's awesome. ICP dunked out at one. Dunked out. They dunked out. That's funny, man. It's funny how you worded that. I'm going to tell you guys right now. I think I'm going all in ICP. ICP is going to be the next coin that I go all in on. You know, it just has such good fundamentals, and quite frankly, it's looking stronger than ever. So tomorrow, I think I'm going to pick up some ICP. So, you know, not financial advice. If you guys do what you want to do, but ICP is probably the most. I might sell all my Bitcoin for ICP. I might sell Ethereum for all my ICP. Right? If you don't believe me, then go F yourself. Go F yourself, mother. No, but I might do it. I might do it, man. I might do it. All right, so let's see what else we got here. Talk about Ethereum Classic. I'm sure ETH Classic is going nuts too, dude. Let's go look at ETH Classic. Ethereum Classic. If I can type. There we go. Man, I mean, what can you say about ETH Classic, dude? You see me pee-pee? Okay. No, ETH Classic, though. Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic. It's looking quite fine. Like, if you look at Ethereum Classic here, you can see that Ethereum Classic. The nose isn't getting longer while you lie. Ethereum Classic actually broke the upside. Man, look at the Ethereum Classic. Holy thick. All right, let me get this whole nose off me. It's too big. A lot of Pinocchio. She said as sitting on his face. Lie to me. That's one of the best memes ever. As she sits on the face. Lie to me, Pinocchio. Bitcoin's going to 10K. And then it's whoop, whoop. Then he tells the truth. Whoop. And it tells the lie. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, man. I make myself laugh. No, but Ethereum Classic is one of the first alts to actually break its bear market resistance level. You know what I mean? ETH Classic actually smashed that to the upside. And what I'll say about ETH Classic, man, is ETH Classic, I don't know why it pumps, okay? But it does, so I'm not going to complain. I mean, it's already up like 4x from its lows. I mean, think about that for a second. It's already up 4x from its lows. And Bitcoin's only at 23K. Think about that for a second. So, I mean, what a move there. I mean, you gotta think you're gonna come back down and take some of these vector candles at some point. You gotta think. But right now, it's doing its thing. I will say, ETH Classic is doing its thing, so I cannot complain. And you know, if you look at it, the daily's a little shot. I mean, you're at like 80 on the RSI. I gotta think that I mean, just looking at basic support and resistance, I gotta think it has some juice to. I mean, you got some previous support here, right? So that could act as something. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame here. 4 hours we're setting nicely. You're kind of just chilling up here. We're setting nicely. The 1-hour time frame, no bearish divergence. Actually, ETH Classic doesn't look too bad. I think ETH Classic actually can continue up higher, assuming Bitcoin doesn't shit the bed. Let me actually go to daily, and I think ETH Classic can come back up to this next level at 52.71, assuming Bitcoin doesn't shit the bed. Bitcoin can ruin everything for everything. as we know. Which right now it is hovering on support again. I'm wondering where this is going to go. You know? All right, let's see. Speech is free until someone else disagrees. That is the most true words ever. Speech is free until someone disagrees. Okay? What's funny about the world is someone can literally do something, and then if someone does the same thing back to them, they'll be offended. And I see it all the time. I even see it in the crypto space. I see it all the time, man. Anyways, let's go back over here. Kennedy said, I want like 26K like my pickle wants pussy coin. I don't know if I want to read this. It's earnings season. Market looks decent. Let's effing go. Hate on Tino, I might slow you. Yeah, don't be hating on Tino. Clint's just kidding, by the way. Clint knows that Tino's smart. Shout out to the Kennedy. Kennedy's the stud, man. Kennedy's the stud. Let's go look at Digibyte and Gala. Gala we already looked at. Gala's up about 7% in the last hour. Let's look at, what was it? Digibyte? Digibyte. Let's see. Most people are selfish and the rules don't matter. Just what works for them in the moment. That's life. Yeah, I guess so. Blood diamonds? What time frame, my friend? Jonathan, what time frame we got the blood diamond? Let me know, man. All right, so daily time frame. Digibyte. Little old Digibyte. Digibyte's one of those old school coins. Old school. I used to love Digibyte. Back in my old school days. But no, I haven't really looked at it too much anymore. Digi. Anybody like Digibyte in the chat? I know Digi's in here. Digibyte. You still like Digi? You'll let me know. Yeah, but I mean, Digibyte's still kind of at its lows. I mean, if you wanted, oh, this is Digibyte BTC. My bad. You can tell I haven't looked at it in so long. Digibyte, not Digibyte, Bitcoin, man. Here we go. Same thing. 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I mean, it kind of matches up with this pattern here, I guess. And you got bearish divergence on the 1 hour time frame. It all kind of matches up, all right? It all kind of matches up for Bitcoin to get a little bit of a retrace here. But that's fine. That's fine. It's what we were kind of been talking about today. And we talked about yesterday that it could be due for a retrace, right? That's what the charts are telling us. We're hoping it doesn't do it. That's what the charts are telling us. Digi, I only recently heard of it. Let's see. I'm okay with losing money on the possible BART. It gives me more opportunity tomorrow. It's very true, Dan. Very true, buddy. All right, Digibyte. What do we got here? What do we got on Digi? I mean, you haven't really gotten anywhere. You're still just in this range on the daily. You know, you really haven't gotten anywhere. That's the issue. Are you still below the previous highs? Just mark it off for next time. Let me zoom in a little bit because the daily's not really telling you much. 4 hours toppy, right? Let me go to the 1 hour because a lot of these 1 hours is going to tell us what we want to know. 1 hour on the 1 hour on Digi doesn't really have anything. The 1 hour on Digi actually doesn't look too bad. It's just, can you trust it with Bitcoin showing maybe a little bit of interesting action? To use a better word, interesting action, aka might looking like it's a maybe slight little short-term toppy, maybe I don't know, but I mean, all in all, I would say, I mean, you just got to break this previous high, and it's just like where Bitcoin is. You know what I mean? It's just like where Bitcoin is. You just got to have enough juice to break that previous high and get some momentum to the upside. Now, what you don't want to do is make some like bigger sort of channel here. Like this, right? Is what you don't want to end up doing. So if you do come back up, you don't want to just make a slightly higher high and dump, right? But the 4 hour is showing that you might be a little bit toppy on this move. You kind of got some resistance the last couple times the 4 hour RSI got to this level, and the 4 hour stocks are coming to the downside. So keep an eye on this one, man. This one's an interesting spot. Very interesting spot. Bitcoin, right at support, man. But, I mean, Digi, who knows, man. Fear and Greed ads, let's check them out. Hopefully I didn't say anything weird today so it doesn't show up. Let's see. True Classic Tees. Yeah, man. True Classic Tees, man. Let's go. I got liquidated today, and all I want for Christmas is True Classic Tees. Jordan loves True Classic Tees, but he can't get one for me because they don't make extra large or whale size. All I want is a True Classic tee. Can someone help? Find me a t-shirt I can get. Please. I only have one. Look at it. It sucks. Come in my room. God. Look at it. This is the only one I have. Look at the size of the arms. It's so stretched out you could use it as a curtain. Come on, someone help. I'm liquidated, I have no money. I only have is one curtain. No, True Classic Tees, no discounts. That's how you know we're in a recession. No discounts. They can't afford it. Elliott Wave Analysis Tool. You know I've been watching Savvy. You know I've been watching Savvy with Elliott Wave Analysis Tool. Come on, man. Come on. All right, so what else we got? That's really it. Fear and Greed, 28 today. You know, nothing crazy. We're getting out of fear. Holy moly, we're not fearful anymore. That's ridiculous. But no, I mean, let's be honest. This really doesn't mean shit. We can easily just end up coming right back down to the downside and be in extreme fear again. So respect the clumped fear, though. Respect the clumped fear. It's usually a pretty good sign. Bitcoin still just chilling at 23.8. What's new? What's new in life here? Let's see. That's how they keep their earnings. Facts. Let's see. 42 short at Java. Yeah. I think he wants to short right now. I think everyone wants to short. No way BTC. I don't know, man. Gallo's pulling back a little bit. Link's pulling back a little bit because Bitcoin is just trying to chill at the moment, guys. All right, guys. It's about that time for me. All right? It's about that time for your boy to get out of here and go do my thing. Now, I will maybe have a stream tomorrow. Okay, I'll maybe have a stream tomorrow, at least in the morning, depending on what the price action's looking like. If we were just up here going sideways, no. But if Bitcoin's doing its thing one way or the other, right? There's a need to do an update. Okay, we'll come on here and we'll talk about what we see in the charts. But if it's just right here tomorrow, I mean, you already know what I think. So take it for what it is. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, have a fantastic Friday. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't panic, sell your crypto. Most of all, don't panic, sell your crypto. Make sure you get in the Discord. We're going to do like some kind of contest. I'll come up with some kind of contest for the Discord tomorrow. And the winner will get a prize. So join the Discord. Make sure you join the Discord. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right. If I don't see you tomorrow, I'll see you for the infamous weekly and monthly close coming up on Sunday. Should be an interesting weekend, guys. All right. Peace out. Have a good one. Adios. Paka. Boo. Da.